I ain't never in my life heard nothing like this. Oh, okay. They hitting that plastic window. See what we got here. We got plastic. Green. Look like. Yeah, right there. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what we do. How about this? Come this up. Sorry. Hey. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I feel like it's the AC, that one. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what I got here. Stuck a screw right here. This should hold it. I know you guys can see it's like a little nut right here. This looks like it may be coming out next. Let's see. Yeah, that will come out next. That one's tight still. That one's tight still. Let's put a screw in this one just in case. Okay. Should be secure now. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I don't see no sides touching. Nothing's touching. Okay, cool. Let's roll. Let's put this back in. Let's see what we got. I can't feel my fingertips already, and I got gloves on. Let me cut this thing back on and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's way quieter. You need some the hell? I ain't gonna lie, that's probably the worst thing about having a package unit is the fact that over time, the older ones you come to, they start to do this little damn shape. And I don't know if it's because of the fucking metal just rocking all the time or what. And also see I gotta redo this. Let me redo that. But yeah. What's in there? Okay, now we get to go. I had to redo this. I was not gonna leave it where that wire was I don't know, the motor was right here and that wire was showing. I'm not doing that. It wasn't like that when I got here, so. And my hand's cold. Shit. Oh, it's cold. Now that noise down these units, that's normal. You can't even really help that, bro. You can't help it. They just get weak. Boy, I ain't never in my life